Are you having trouble having your engines look great after you do a full detail on a customer's car? Well, I have the answer for that. Hi, I'm Shane with S&S Auto Supply. Today is Tech Tip Friday number 5. Today's tech tip will be dressing the motors in the wash bay after you've used degreaser and rinsed them down. And it will not attract dirt if you're using a water-based dressing. You do not want to use a solvent-based dressing based on the fact that it's solvent and it could be flammable. These are all silicone-based dressings diluted down. So let's go take a look under this hood. So I'm applying the 915 universal dressing mix 50-50 to the wet motor after it's been degreased and pressure washed. When applying 915 dressing to the wet motor, you want to use the H pattern. And what that means is you stand at the front of the vehicle and you mist it on, and then you move to one side, mist from that angle, move to the other side, mist from that angle. You're getting all angles of what a customer can see when they walk around the motor to look at it when purchasing the vehicle. The proper way to apply this is stand at the front of the pickup, take your dressing, mist on lightly in front of you. What you can see does not take a lot. And then proceed to move to the one side, dress from this angle of what you can see, because again, I'm seeing different things from a different angle. And then move to the other side and do it on that side. It's called the H pattern. This way here you get an even application, and then just basically walk away, shut the hood, and later on your checkout right before the car is out for delivery, open it up, sop up any piles or any puddles you may have with a damp rag, and you're good to go. It'll make your engines look a lot better and a lot even. Will not be a fire hazard, will not attract dirt, and doesn't harm anything. So that was tech tip number 5. If you learned anything new or liked what you saw, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for further tech tips on Fridays. If you'd like to order any of the 915 dressing or any other Stinger products that we carry, go to www.snsautosupply.com and check out the selections we have for you.